Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to fix notification problem on Android mobile phone because you're not getting apps notification. So, sometimes you will not get notification because of your phone is there's error on your phone, or your phone is get I mean to hit for you, or the RAM is full, or full of usage, 100 usage, so you'll not get notification. But to prevent that, you can try to fix notification problem by search the settings. You can type notification in here, type it. You can manage notification, and then you can go with app notification. As you can see, this is all the list of my apps. So you can specifically turn on or turn off the apps notification. For example, I want to get I do not get notification from email, so you can make sure you turn this on. You can switch this on notification button, so you can tap. So make sure this on, like other notification, incoming calls, blah blah blah. Make sure this all option is on. If not, if not yet get notification for email, for example, or for other from other a application, try to update it. So you can go your manage your app and device, try to manage it, and try to search the updates available from your device, and try update all the application that need to be updated. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click the button below. See you in the next video.